How to make a Pinterest board. First of all, open up the Pinterest application on your phone. You are now in the Pinterest homepage. You can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests over here. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Here, select Board to start creating one. Fill in the details required to create a board over here, such as the board name. You can also pick a name from the suggestions. Then, you can add in collaborators if you want. You can also choose the privacy of the board below. If you turn on and make this board secret, then only you and collaborators will see this board. Once you're done, tap on Create above. You have successfully created a board. You can now add some pins to your board from here. Following these steps, you can easily make a Pinterest board.